We good?
All right, so we're here with Hector of Fabreeko Frame. Yeah, everybody knows them. But they've got something new they're showing off today at Rocky Mountain, and it is...
So these are our structural panel. They're 5mm aluminum and a 4mm spacer so that you could run insulation. They're going to come in a kit with the insulation, with the spacer. They're interlocking as well. And they have a hard anodized and a really nice CNC chamfer there. So it's going to be aerogel insulation so that you could install it or not. It's all going to be die cut, super nice kit. We're going to have it for the 2.4, the Trident, and then we may add some of the smaller printers as well. But come take a look at this.
You're going to have that in all the sizes?
We are going to have it in all sizes. We did this just for the show, but just to show the kind of stuff you could do for it. You know, you're running your cereals, and we can do all that kind of stuff.
So you're going to offer that as a
we're
custom
thinking about
option?
it because we did it just for the show, but a lot of people really like it. So like a way of displaying their cereal. Obviously not property of Fabreeko, but you know, we'll make a design that works for people. Completely optional. The panels will ship black, and then that's separate.
And I'm really liking just how
everything's
it's shockingly nice. I'm telling you.
Yeah, it's super nice. It lines up the chamfer there.
So now you've got some other stuff at the show.
Yeah, so we have a few things over here. This is all from the Panda Pi guy. This is a BD sensor. So it's eddy current sensor, but with remote electronics, so that you could run it in like hotter chambers and things like that.
Okay.
This is an auto flow. It measures the diameter of the filament coming in and adjusts your flow on real time.
Okay.
And this
is that something you could put like on
any clipper machine?
Would you be able to like do it with Box Turtle and stuff like that?
I think so. I think so. That's why we ordered these. These are actually our first samples here to test it out. This one does auto PA, so it measures the back pressure of the nozzle and tunes your PA based on that.
Okay.
So this whole thing that I'm holding is actually like $49.99 with the hot end.
The whole
And
the
this
whole
one's
hot
about
end and
40,
everything.
Yep. So that's great for like ender conversions, things like that. I think you could even use it as a pro, but don't quote me on that because we're still learning what it could do. So we have that. We have the whole line of Hozo tools. So like they're really cool.
Yeah, I picked those up earlier. They are so smooth.
This one still has battery. So they're calipers that convert to like rulers and all sorts of stuff. These are Bluetooth enabled, and they could actually, I believe they could send measurements directly to CAD with a plugin. And they have different jaws that you could put in and different attachments. And there's some other expansion parts here. But yeah, these are super cool. One of the coolest things they make is...
That's really nice for anybody that's designing stuff or converting things from real world project back into CAD.
Yeah, they make an ultrasonic knife, which actually just fell down, so it's back there. But that's awesome for cleaning supports, cutting through filament, so it cuts through things like butter. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I'll go try to find it in a few minutes. We have ultra light rails as well.
Yeah.
These are in collaboration with the guys from Monolith.
Okay.
So they're like about 30% lighter.
They are super light. I can attest to that.
Yeah, Alpha Nozzles, those are actually on sale, 15% off till Sunday night. Diamond Nozzles 500C rating. I think this wasn't released when we were in the show last time.
You released them on the show.
We released them on the show, yeah. So those are available for MK4, for your Cheaty, for your V6 nozzles, for your Creality K1s, the K2s. And we're working on a bamboo version that's going to release really soon. Yeah.
Now,
and this is $74.99 retail. 15% off right now. This is going to be about $80 or $90, so it's going to be a really good deal as well.
That's a significant savings over other diamond nozzles on the market.
Yeah, and they have a really good warranty as well. I mean, they're backed by us, so whatever you guys need. We have a couple of cool projects here. Snake oil. We have the PCs from Corvus. So fully printed PCs. Some V0s, some Prusa XYs. We're bringing that back. And then this is also a first. This is the Zero G Stealth Changer by the guys who did Stealth Changer.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to do a 0G printer on the channel, so I've got to.
Yeah, so we're gonna put that in a box and make it ready for you guys, so that you have everything you need. There's a Trident one as well. That's also a first time showing.
So now, is this stuff going to be compatible with Trident R2 over there?
So we still haven't seen the CAD from that. I'm sure the guy at JD, and so one of the designers there, he'll take care of making it fit. But absolutely, that's the intention. This one has our panels too.
Yeah.
Check out the carbon bed on top. Those we've been playing with those for a while. They're very flat, and they don't change with heat.
Yeah.
They also transfer heat super fast. And different from graphite beds, like they are solid like this. You could drop this on the floor and they'll be fine. Sorry.
And I noticed you've got bamboo over there.
Yeah, so we're an official authorized bamboo reseller. We sell cheaty machines as well, Elegoo machines. But yeah, anything you need from bamboo, we're gonna have it. It's still being added to the website. We're gonna have their filament. We're gonna have their parts. We're already shipping the X2. There's one there. There's an X2D there.
I'd love to see if Django can break it.
Yeah, this released about 4 or 5 days ago. It's a really nice machine for $8.99 with the AMS too.
Yeah.
This AMS has the heater from iBose. Yeah. Then you have the Cheaty Max 4 back here. That's $1,100 for a 400 millimeter printer with a 9mm belt, heated chamber, and then it has FOC control steppers as well. So it's a really nice machine for that price.
Oh, so it
huge
has.
too.
I did not know that about the FOC steppers on it.
Yeah, if you look at let's see if we can squeeze back here. Take a look at the steppers in the back. At the bottom, there's an encoder.
Or whether the bed moves.
I think you see it.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little. See that little box at the bottom right there?
Yep.
So that's all the encoders and stuff. So it is FOC control. I don't know if they're officially called closed loop, but they should have a lot more. I think it's like 20-30% more torque than typical because of the way they torque.
Yeah.
And that Q2, that's a workhorse of a machine. Super reliable, $4.99.
What's the build size on that?
That's 270. Actually, it's pretty big. 280.
It's a compact machine for
It
270.
is super efficient size, exterior size.
And you guys have some of these running in your farm, so you know.
We run a lot of these in our farms. So this has a chamber heater, and it has a load cell on the hot end. So yeah, it does really well out of the box. And it's $4.99.
And then this is the 0G that he was talking about. That's pretty awesome. Thanks for giving us a tour. Thanks for your time. And again, check out the Alpha Nozzles.
Yep.
Code Rocky Mountain Rep Fest 15.
Yep. We're going to extend that to our Honey Badger plates too by tomorrow. So.
Okay. So, plates and nozzles. Thank you.
Have a good one.